Hey guys, see my Carlix through a stage Pokemon. Today, and guess what came? The purple zombie, and the Melon-pult. Note the mouth, guys. Whoa, this is tall. He's purple. Let's look. He's about almost the same size as a Gargantuar. He can pull out on zombies. The Melon! Why does he have a big tail? So, I'll expect it to come August. It was from China. So yeah. And like before, they all have a little suction cup on the back. Oops. Well, the purple zombie is an original plush made by PopCap. Meaning that it's not in the game. So yeah. Next is this Melon-pult. No, shoot. Oh yeah. It's like, oh, I would give him a cap to make him look like. Not Squash. I lost his little suction cup since during my filming of Bubble Trouble. So yeah. Just look. Well, I don't want to get a Melon-pult mouth, so I shouldn't. I'm the purple zombie. This guy, like most people, call him the boss of the zombies because he's different. I call him Dr. Egger. They call him Dr. Egger George Zomboss. Imbeciles! Fools! No, he has his thumbs up. Goes the guard. Now I have three zombie. Now the Melon-pult. Just look. This is the first one of the pult birds I got. Look. He can be upgraded to a winter melon. Kind of like the lid pack and upgrade, like cattail and twin sapphire. I'll probably do a toy review. Well, why? Because he has a mouth. I don't know why they don't have launcher. Only, well, for softness reasons. Very soft. Yeah. That's purple. Has his thumbs up. It's a guy. What's with this guy? Eek! That little rascal deserved it. Yeah, they did. Yeah. That's my tour. That's my tour review of him. I was supposed to come August 24th to the first day of school, but no, it came earlier. That was a strange thing. So yeah, now, where was I for my work?